Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Welcome to Brussels. Starting my day with a good hot chocolate. In French-speaking Belgium, they call me Laurence. Bonjour, je m'appelle Laurence et j'habite à Anvers. Et aujourd'hui, je suis à Bruxelles. Don't worry, I'm not gonna speak French in this vlog. It isn't that good either. In this video, we will discover Brussels in 2 days. So it will be quite a pace. But as a local, I know where to be. I made a 10-mile walking route through Brussels for this day, where we pass all the highlights of the city. This long walk is perfect if you're only here for a short period of time. It will be a real Belgium experience in this video. So this is a nice panoramic view of Brussels. The Bellevue Museum presents Belgium and its history through a thematic approach. The themes are democracy, Europe, language, migration, pluralism, prosperity, and solidarity. After a visit to this museum, you gain a better understanding of Belgium and its society. Let's go have a look. taste a good Belgian beer, you have to go to the Subit à la Mort bar. You can taste here a lot of different types of beers. A must do when you're in Brussels. Located in the heart of Brussels, a majestic Art Nouveau building created by Victor Horta in 1996, the Belgian Comic Strip Center opened its doors. With more than 700 comic strip authors, Belgium has the most comic strip artists in the world. Nothing better than a good Belgian waffle. Hello everyone, day 2 and also the last day for me in Brussels. Yesterday I walked 10 miles through the city, so my legs are really tired. If you stay here in Brussels longer than 2 days, I suggest you spread out everything a bit more and explore the city at a more relaxed pace. I'm currently walking to the train station to take the train to Schaerbeek. There you have a museum, it's called Train World. I hope it's warm inside because it's really cold. It's December in Brussels and it's like 2 degrees. Our first stop of the day is located in the old train station of Schaerbeek. Here you find Train World, the museum for train enthusiasts. You learn here everything about the history of the train. Behind me you see the Museum of the Far East. Unfortunately, just as the Japanese tower, it's no longer open for public. But I did some research and in 2024 it will be open again. I've never been inside the museum, but if I have the chance I will do it for sure. We are here in front of the Atomium, one of the most popular monuments here in Brussels. There is a restaurant located at the top spire with a beautiful view. Let's go check it out.
ready for you now. My time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear.
So the restaurant in Atomium was closed, but the view was really worth it. The next stop is Mini Europe. It's really close located to Atomium. No less than 350 models of the most beautiful European places and monuments take you to more than 70 European cities. Another reason why Brussels is the heart of Europe.
You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
In Friesland you have the best fries in Brussels. The Grand Place is the central square of the city of Brussels. You find here the guild houses, the Maison du Roi, and of course the city hall. When you're here, you stand in front of the most beautiful building of Belgium, the City Hall. The Maison du Roi is a Brussels city museum. Here you find everything about the history of Brussels. The famous Mannekes remains the emblem of the rebellious spirit of the city of Brussels. The statue is very small and many times is dressed up with a funny little costume. So this was Brussels for me, guys. Our capital city has so much to offer. I hope you guys, after watching this video, are more excited to come to this city. Even though I'm from Belgium, I still bought me a little souvenir. Mannekes in the Belgian flag. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to even more Belgium cities. The next episode will be in Hasselt, the capital city of the Limburg province. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again in the next location. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.